Okay, so we've arrived in Chinatown. It was only a 5-minute ride from the centre point hotel, so it's really quick and easy to get to. Buzzing. You can see here they've actually closed the road off to pedestrians so you can walk around. It makes it nice and easy. Yeah, when you first arrive it can definitely feel a bit overwhelming with the sheer amount of food stalls and crowds. It's got a real buzz about the place, it's fantastic. Love all the overhead signs. Just currently getting my bearings around the place. These crispy oyster pancakes, they look and smell amazing. Beautiful. Smell of the coals, and look at the small cities here. Got the fan in the background, getting the flames nice and hot.
Pagas €1000 comer o quê?
Aqui é.
Look at that lobster.
Olha aqui, vamos lá dentro. Amigo. Uma dessa. Isso. Eu não gosto. Tu gosta? Olha.
That head butter bubbling away.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want, you choose. Yes.
Somehow feel something's lost in translation. Okay, so I've stopped off for a little rest at a restaurant called Mrs. June. I'm going to try the fried crispy oyster omelette. I'm hungry, I need a rest, so let's have it. That didn't take long at all, it took about 5 minutes. Look at this, it looks really delicious. Nice and crispy on the outside. Comes with a little pot of chili dipping sauce. There you go. Nice and fresh. Oh, that's really crispy. Bit of taste of the sea with the oysters there. They're definitely not overcooked and not rubbery at all. Really tasty. Nice and crispy on the outside there. Really good. Chili sauce. Sauce is light and sweet. Very good though. See that there's bean sprouts on the bottom as well.
Favorite day. Makes me feel like I'm catching up with a friend from town.
Love how crispy the egg is.
I am really just get back to the house, so it's like
Oily, not over seasoned. So the egg itself hasn't taken on the flavour of the oysters. The oysters just apart from the outside, but there's puddles of the water that's come at the oysters. The egg's got its own distinct flavour. And it's really good. I'm going to head along and see some other food. Saw some satay sticks along there, quite fancy those. So it's about 40 baht for 10 sticks of satays. This one's got a big Q-tip. And now about 8 PM, it's so much busier. The colour of this duck here. Look at how crispy this pork is, really good. Look at the skin on that. Okay, so stop at another stop, really hot, noisy and busy. I'm at a noodle shop called Quay Chop. It's multiple award-winning for Michelin. Just ordered a soup that's got crispy pork in it, pork belly, the neck, scallions, real aroma of white pepper coming off of this. Smells amazing. Pork belly. White pepper, beautiful. I'm going to taste that raw. So clean the flavour. Reminds me of super fried once in Singapore that had pork chops in it. It was really good. The big slice of pork here as well. So tender. Put a wee bit of spice in it. Doesn't need much. and you don't want to overpower the pepper. That works beautiful. Even though it's in the broth, it's still really crispy. See what this piece is. Real kick with a white pepper. I love white pepper. It's so beautiful. Gives it a real fragrance. Wow, that's amazing. All done. That's delicious. The fragrance of the white pepper really made that. The fish ball was really light. The pork really nice and crispy. I'm ready for dessert. Something to go along and find something. All the desserts here, look. Finishing off the night with some tapioca pearls for cantaloupe. Delicious. Hot diet. Taste the carnation milk, really nice and fresh. And I hope you enjoyed the tour around Chinatown. Quite an overwhelming experience. So busy now, a lot of tourists are coming back to the area, and there's so many of the streetcars that are back open in 2022, which is great to see for the businesses. Thanks for watching.